Hello YouTube, today we are going to create this beautiful gradient motion graphics in After Effects. So let's move on to the After Effects and start by creating new composition. So click new composition and set the name motion background width P1920 and height 1080. Frame rate is 13 and duration is around 10 seconds, and hit the OK button. After that we are going to start with the solid layer, so click Ctrl Y and set the color to the black and hit OK. After that go to the effect and preset panel, search for 4 color gradient and drag and drop to the black solid layer and adjust the color as you like. I will set the color 1 to the blue, soft blue, and hit OK. Then color 2 will be blue but in different tone. You can adjust this as you like. Okay, so I will go with these colors, and now you have to set the keyframe for each color point. So select the layer and go to the effect and controls panel and set the keyframe for 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. Now go to the 1 second and just mess up with the color points, like this color will go here, this color will go here, this will be here, and this will be here. Okay, now go to the effect and preset panel, search for 12 effect and drag and drop to the solid layer. So it will look like this. So you can see this black dots or some black color here, which 12 effect is creating. So we have to remove this by going effect and preset panel, search for motion tile effect and drag and drop this effect here and set the output width to 30 and output height to 30. Okay, now select the mirror edges and drag and drop this effect to the top here. So you can see this lines is gone now and the effect is being animated. Okay, so after that create new adjustment layer by right clicking new and adjustment layer. Go to the effect and preset panel again and search for the wave wrap. Okay, drag and drop this effect to the adjustment layer and change the wave type to the circle. Wave height we will increase that, and wave width we will also increase that. So we will change the wave height like this and change the wave speed to 0.0 or 0.3 as you like. And so again we can see these black dots coming in the composition. As you can see this black circles again, so we have to remove this with same effect. Select the black solid layer and copy this motion tile effect by Ctrl C. Select the adjustment layer and paste this effect by Ctrl V and just drag this effect to the top, and here we go, these black dots are gone now. So we will just adjust this effect. If I play this like this, if I play this, it will look like this. It's looking good, but we have to change the direction of the animation. So we will go to the effect and control panels, select the adjustment layer, then go to the effect and control panel and just change the direction to the around 145 is good, and you can adjust the width if you want, or you can adjust height also. Okay, so if I play this now, this is looking good. Okay, so as you can see, the animation is good. We can change the color for the, like, his white color is not looking that good, so we will go to the 4-way color and change the bright color to the around dark, and dark color we will go with down like this. So now we can add the text to complete the animation. So go to the toolbar, select the text tool and write the text whichever you want and just align to the center. Select the font, select Akira and disable the strokes. Just scale down. Again I will align this, and here we go. You can adjust the colors and angles of the animation, and also you can change the color by going black solid, and you can see the 4 color gradient. You can adjust any color you want, like I want purplish, so again I will just go to the different tones of purple and it will update like this. You can see the animation is looking good. So this is how you can create this cool motion graphic backgrounds in After Effects. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe for the more tips about the graphic design and motion graphic as well as video editing. We'll see in the next video. Bye bye.